Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to watch other people's replays in League of Legends. In order to watch the replays of other people on League of Legends client, all you need to do is head to the profile of that person, then go to the match history. So I'll just right click on a person from my friends list. From here, go to their profile. After that, go to their match history. So as the match history is currently bugged and is not showing, I'll just show it from my profile. The process is the same. After going to their match history, we need to left click on the match that we want to have a replay on. After going into the match, we'll find a download button from the top right hand side. We'll just click on the download button. And after some time, the replay file will be downloaded, and in order to watch the match, we'll just left click on the play file. After it, the game will load and we can successfully watch the replay from here.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.